Okay, this is a video on the 2021 mini excavator. It has, well, overall it's 3 foot wide, so that tells you a lot. The bucket's 16 inch. It's gas powered, 4-stroke gas, 420 cubic inch motor that equivalents to 13 horsepower, has auxiliary hydraulics. Super clean little unit. It's brand new, unused, never been used. So for the backyard warrior that wants to go just rip it up, you can get in the backyard, no problem. Or the little landscaper guy that wants his own little unit, here it is. Fire it up, Brent, let's see what she'll do. That little sucker. Be great for small trenches or putting trees in, whatever you want. These are pretty popular. Controls are John Deere controls. We're not sure if it has the, I'll ask Brent in a second. Only has 1 speed, if that ends up being a question. Depth, we're not sure on how deep it'll dig. I'd say by the looks of it, probably about 6 feet deep. Probably not quite, probably 5.5. Works good, pretty quick. Don't tear our road up. Anyway, that's it. If there's any other questions, give a call. We'll have preview day. This is going to be in the January 22nd auction. Yeah, got it. That's it. It doesn't have the control change, does it? It's just, those are John Deere controls. Pretty easy though. Nice. Okay.